maybe get out of the way. He's got plenty of room to get between us. Sure wouldn't want to have to try and walk from point A to point B.
Yeah, she just came from the house over here. She's probably drowned her.
Probably fixing all the people pulling in here. Starting to let up a little bit. I think every time I like the thunders, it comes down harder. Maybe what we'll do is we're gonna go this route. Just do a U-turn here. How big we thought about it. That water puddle?
Yeah, there it goes. Now we can see.
I just don't think it's gonna let up.
So, where exactly are we?
Woo! We're in Glenoma.
Okay. Well, it's just I'm videotaping this, and I'm probably going to upload it to Facebook or YouTube.
Well, watch where
I want to get a couple of 3 minutes and really, yeah.
I walked over there. You see all the cars pull in.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I like a good rainstorm, but this is ridiculous.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, you know, with the 4th of
Walk
July.
right to that water hole and keep it there.
Yeah. I mean, this is, you know, I don't mind it raining, getting it nice and soaked for the 4th of July, but like you said, this is crazy.
Well, this isn't going to do any good because it's coming down too hard and too fast. It's not going to soak.
Right.
No, it's just going to run off.
Right.
There's another lightning strike.
Yeah, I see that.
The sad part about it is the more it's going to lightning, the more it's going to rain. It's gonna
Yeah.
keep going. I don't even want to see my bedroom right now. If it's doing this at home, I left the window open this far.
Well, I hope Bill shut the windows before he left.
My bedroom leaks anyway in the window. It comes right through the windows. Right down here. Well, it depends on the wind storm. Right.
All right, so I got about 3 good minutes of here, and then I'm just